OJI is a household edible object, a fruit from a tree called KOLA acuminata, patronized and valued majorly by the Igbo people of eastern Nigeria, West Africa. OJI has a variety of uses to the Igbo people, but to name a few. The Igbo people use it to extend courtesy to visitors. They use it to read signs and deduce messages from spirits. They use it to commune with their ancestors and the gods whom they revere greatly. If the OJI is broken into 2 petals, it is symbolic for hindrance. The Igbos call it odachi. In any meeting where this OJI is brought forth, the meeting meets an immediate end, as it is considered that whatever is discussed in that meeting will not meet headway. If OJI is broken into 3 petals, it is called OJI Ikenga. It is a symbol of strength to the Igbo man. This kind is not shared amongst people. In any case where it is brought forth in a meeting, the owner saves it and brings another for his visitors. If OJI is broken into 4 petals, it is called OJI Ezumezu. This kind is favorable to be shared amongst spirits and humans. If OJI is broken into 5 petals, it is called OJI Oba. This is symbolic for wealth, for the owner, and for whom it is broken. If OJI is broken into 6 petals, it is called OJI Obari Ikenga. It is symbolic for strength for the Igbo man. It also signifies future altercation. In some communities, one of the petals will be broken into 4 and thrown out to wandering spirits to prevent whatever altercation it may bring. If OJI is broken into 7 petals, it is called OJI Oba Nomum. It is symbolic for the mixture of wealth and procreation. If OJI is broken into 9 petals, it is called OJI Alose or OJI Ofo. It is a very rare occurrence, but for whom it is broken, that person will occupy an office for the sake of the community.